Welcome. If you're looking to boost your account security on X, enabling passkeys is a fantastic step. Passkeys let you log in easily and securely, without the hassle of typing passwords, relying instead on your device's biometric methods like Face ID or Touch ID. Here's a straightforward guide to help you enable passkeys on the X app, updated for the latest version. First, open the X app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into the account you want to secure. Next, look for your profile icon, typically found at the top left corner of the screen, and tap it. This will open a menu with several options. From there, navigate to Settings and Privacy. This section houses all the customization and security features you need. Once inside, tap on Security and Account Access, then select Security from the list that appears. Now, scroll through the security settings until you find the option labeled Passkeys. Toggle this option on. You'll be prompted to enter your current account password to verify it's really you making this change. Enter your password and tap Confirm to proceed. After confirming your password, tap Create Passkey and follow the on-screen instructions. Your device will prompt you to use your biometric authentication, for example, Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. Tap Continue to finalize the setup. Lastly, confirm the creation of your passkey. Once completed, your X account will be equipped with this advanced protection, allowing you to sign in quickly and securely without typing a password every time. Remember, passkeys sync automatically across your devices through the keychain or equivalent cloud service, meaning if you switch to a new iPhone or iPad, your login credentials travel with you seamlessly. And that's it. You've successfully enabled passkeys on your X app, a simple and effective way to enhance your account's safety and enjoy a smoother login experience. Thanks for tuning in.